Hello guys, welcome to our channel Study Smart Tech. In this video, we will discuss Computer Operator 2071 BS or 2014 AD old question paper. So to join our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. So let's start with the first question. Question number 1. When the formula bar is activated, you can see option A, the edit formula bar, B, the cancel button, C, the enter button, D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 2. You can activate a cell by option A, pressing the tab key, B, clicking the cell, C, pressing an arrow key, D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 3. You can add a hyperlink to your worksheet by pressing option A, Ctrl plus Shift plus K, B, Ctrl plus H, C, Ctrl plus K, D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option C, Ctrl plus K. Question number 4. Each Excel file is called a workbook because option A, it can contain text and data. Option B, it can be modified. C, it can contain many sheets including worksheet and chart sheets. D, you have to work hard to create it. And the correct answer is option C, it can contain many sheets including worksheet and chart sheets. Question number 5. The master list of an indexed file, option A, is sorted in ascending order. B, contains only a list of keys and record numbers. C, has a number assigned to each record. D, both B and C. And the correct answer is option C, has a number assigned to each record. Question number 6. A logged file can be option A, accessed by only one user. B, modified by users with the correct password. C, is used to hide sensitive information. D, both B and C. And the correct answer is option D, both B and C. Question number 7. Manager's salary details are hidden from the employee. Is this option A, conceptual level data hiding, B, physical level data hiding, C, external level hiding, D, none of the above. And the correct answer is option C, external level hiding. Question number 8. Which of the following products is relational DBMS? Option A, Fox Pro, B, Oracle, C, DBase second, D, none. And the correct answer is option B, Oracle. Question number 9. The following are functions of a DBMS except ... Option A, creating and processing forms, B, creating database, C, processing data, D, administrating database. And the correct answer is option A, creating and processing forms. Question number 10. This task pane shows the design that is currently being used in a presentation. Option A, slide style, B, slide design, C, slide format, D, slideshow. And the correct answer is option B, slide design. Question number 11. ... refers to the way things are arranged on a slide. Option A, slide layout, B, slide design, C, slide transition, D, rehearse. And the correct answer is option A, slide layout. Question number 12. To insert a new slide in the current presentation, we can choose ... Option A, Ctrl plus M, B, Ctrl plus O, C, Ctrl plus N, D, Ctrl plus F. And the correct answer is option A, Ctrl plus M. Question number 13. In HTML, URL is used to ... Option A, create a frame document, B, create an image map in the web page, C, customize the image map in the web page, D, identify a name or a resource on the internet. And the correct answer is option D, identify a name or a resource on the internet. Question number 14. CSS is an acronym for ... Option A, cascading style sheet, B, custom style sheet, C, cascading system sheet, D, none of above. And the correct answer is option A, cascading style sheet. Question number 15. Who invented World Wide Web WWW? Option A Blaise Pascal, B Charles Babbage, C Herman Hollerith, D Tim Berners-Lee, and the correct answer is option D Tim Berners-Lee. Question number 16. Which technology is used in compact disc? Option A mechanical, B electrical, C electromagnetic, D laser, and the correct answer is option D laser. Question number 17. Which of the following is largest hardware manufacturer? Option A IBM, B Seagate, C Microsoft, D 3M, and the correct answer is option A IBM. Question number 18. Memory is made up of option A set of wires, B set of circuit, C large number of cells, D all of the above, and the correct answer is option C large number of cells. Question number 19. Which device is used to back up the data? Option A floppy disk, B tape, C network drive, D all of the above, and the correct answer is option D all of the above. Question number 20. A set of flip-flop integrated together is called option A counter, B adder, C register, D none of the above, and the correct answer is option C register. Question number 21. Which of the following have fastest access time? Option A semiconductor memories, B magnetic disk, C magnetic tape, D compact disk, and the correct answer is option A semiconductor memories. Question number 22. The second generation computer was based on option A vacuum tube, B silicon chips, C transistors, D biochips, and the correct answer is option C transistors. Question number 23. Who invented analytical engine? Option A Blaise Pascal, B George Boole, C Charles Babbage, D Dr. Herman Hollerith, and the correct answer is option C Charles Babbage. Question number 24. Through which device the main component of computer communicates? Option A keyboard, B system bus, C memory, D monitor, and the correct answer is option B system bus. Question number 25. What do you call a single point in computer screen? Option A cell, B element, C pixel, D bit, and the correct answer is option C pixel. Hey, if you want me to teach more about this, then please drop your comment in the comment section below. Question number 26. The BIOS is an abbreviation of option A basic input output system, B best input output system, C basic input output symbol, D base input output system, and the correct answer is option A basic input output system. Question number 27. Which access method is used to access cassette tape? Option A direct, B sequential, C both of above, D none of above, and the correct answer is option B sequential. Question number 28. 1 nibble equals to option A 1 bits, B 2 bits, C 4 bits, D 16 bits, and the correct answer is option C 4 bits. Question number 29. After copying the content, how many times you can paste it? Option A 1, B 16, C 32, D many, and the correct answer is option D many times. Question number 30. In Unix, UNIX, the status of the process may be option A running, B rfan, C sleeping, D all of the above, and the correct answer is option D all of the above. Question number 31. The PID is kernel process is option A undefined, B 0, C 1, D 3, and the correct answer is option B 0. Question number 32. GUI based operating system is option A Windows, B Linux, C both A and B, D DOS. And the correct answer is option C both A and B. Question number 33. Virtual memory is ... Option A an extremely large main memory, B an extremely large secondary memory, C an illusion of extremely large secondary memory, D a type of memory used in supercomputer. And the correct answer is option C an illusion of extremely large secondary memory. Question number 34. Which is not the state of process? Option A blocked, B running, C ready, D privileged. And the correct answer is option D privileged. Question number 35. The key F12 opens a... Option A save as dialog box, B open dialog box, C save dialog box, D close dialog box. And the correct answer is option A save as dialog box. Question number 36. Which file starts MS Word? Option A windword.exe, B word.exe, C msword.exe, D word 2003.exe. And the correct answer is option A windword.exe. Question number 37. Which of the following is not a type of page margin? Option A left, B right, C center, D top. And the correct answer is option C center. Question number 38. Portrait and landscape are option A page orientation, B paper page, C page layout, D all of the above. And the correct answer is option A page orientation. Question number 39. Which of the following is not a font style? Option A bold, B italics, C regular, D superscript. And the correct answer is option D superscript. Question number 40. Borders can be applied to option A cells, B paragraph, C text, D all of the above. And the correct answer is option D all of the above. Question number 41. What is the purpose of inserting header and footer in document? Option A to enhance the overall appearance of the document, B to mark the starting and ending of page, C to make large document more readable, D to allow page headers and footers appear on document when printed. And the correct answer is option D to allow page headers and footers appear on document when printed. Question number 42. Which of the following function key activates the speller? Option A F5, B F7, C F9, D Shift plus F7. And the correct answer is option B F7. Question number 43. Thesaurus tools in MS Word is used for option A spelling suggestions, B grammar options, C synonyms and antonyms words, D all of the above. And the correct answer is option C synonyms and antonyms words. Question number 44. A bookmark is an item or location in document that you identify as a name for future reference. Which of the following task is accomplished by using bookmarks? Option A to add anchors in web page, B to mark the ending of paragraph of document, C to quickly jump to a specific location in document, D to add hyperlinks in web page. And the correct answer is option C to quickly jump to a specific location in document. Question number 45. Which of the following is not the correct method of editing the cell content? Option A press the Alt key, B press the F2 key, C click the formula bar, D double click the cell. And the correct answer is option A press the Alt key. Question number 46. Which command will you choose to convert a column of data into row? Option A cut and paste, D edit, paste special transpose, C both of above, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is option B. Edit, paste, special, transpose. Question number 47. What is shortcut key to replace a data with another inset? Option A, Control plus R, B, Control plus Shift plus R, C, Control plus H, D, Control plus F. And the correct answer is option C, Control plus H. Question number 48. Which of the following action removes a seat from workbook? Option A, select the seat, then choose edit, then delete seat. B, select the seat, then choose format, then seat, then hide. C, both of above. And D, none of above. And the correct answer is option A, select the seat, then choose edit, then delete seat. Question number 49. To remove the content of selected cells, you must issue ... command. Option A, edit, then delete. B, edit, then clear, then contains. C, edit, then clear, then all. D, data, then delete. And the correct answer is option B, edit, then clear, then contains. Question number 50. In a worksheet, you can select option A, the entire worksheet, B, rows, C, columns, D, A, B and C. And the correct answer is option D, A, B and C. Hey, if you have subscribed my channel, then don't forget to click on the bell and turn on your notification. So thanks.